number 2 from Yahoo PH Top Trends.
Ito type ko to ha. Ito yung nanalo very recently sa Philippine Basketball Association or PBA Governors Cup. Ang nanalo syempre ay ang Petron Blaze Boosters na dating San Miguel at tinalo nila ang Talk and Text tropang texters ni Mr. MVP. Kaya naman mega big deal dahil game 1 palang intense na. Merong winning shot ang ultra veteran na si Danny Ildefonso. Siyang nagpanalo sa game 1. Pero ang mas controversial ang mga coaches na nakakalokang parang gusto nang magsabunutan, Janelle.
Okay, first of all, this is what I miss, okay? I used to, alam mo naman, this was how and where I started my career, my TV career in the Philippines.
Actually.
But then at the same time, I was excited for Talk and Text because they were gunning for Grand Slam, di ba?
That's right,
Oo.
that's right. Oo.
Pero mukhang
hindi nga nangyari.
And a lot of people were wondering also kasi parang sinasabi sila yung favorite. So anong nangyari naman? Bakit kaya tinalo? What do you think? I mean, you're also a basketball fan.
A huge basketball fan. Actually, pag in-assess mo kasi, medyo hindi, marami kasi nagsasabi underdog daw ang
Petron.
Talk and Text. Ang Petron sa game na to. When in fact, pag in-analyze mo, medyo nahirapan talaga si Talk and Text talunin ng Petron dun, even in their past games, no? And ang medyo controversial nga kasi dito is, meron silang bagong coach, no? Kilala naman natin itong lahat, si Coach Ato Agustin, ang ngayong coach ng Petron Blaze Boosters. At tingin ko, maganda ang kanyang pep talk sa kanyang team kasi talaga namang all heart ang ibinigay ng Petron. Hindi talaga sila nagbigay ng kahit anong madaling puntos sa Talk and Text.
Okay. At
yung sinasabi kong controversial, Janelle, dahil after Game 3, si Coach Chot approached, ito'y supposedly approach daw Ato Agustin at humirit si Coach Ato ng gusto mo suntukan tayo. So, sinabi ni Coach Chot na bakit ako lalaban sa'yo? Takot nga ako sa'yo. Ang sinabi ni Ato Agustin daw, isang bonggang-bonggang, bakla ka kasi. Why not?
Diba, nakakatawa, intense sa game inside the court, pero outside the court, meron panibagong
mas intense.
Oo. So ano nangyari after the season nung naideklara na champions itong itong Petron? May narinig ba from either sides?
Yes, hindi pa rin tumigil si Coach Ato. Sinabi niya, kasi apparently sinasabi ni Coach Chot, sabi daw is he was the one who got Ato Agustin somewhere in Pampanga. At dinedeny ito ni Ato Agustin. Sinasabi niya, I don't owe him a debt of gratitude.
Ayan.
At sinasabi niya na kinuha ko ni Coach Turo Valenzona. Yun ang sinasabi niya.
Ayan.
At sinabi ni Coach Chot na hindi ko yun sinabi. Hindi ko naman sinabing I got him from Pampanga. At sinasabi lang niya na isa siya ata sa team managers nung sinign up nila noon, si Ato Agustin.
And
sinasabi
you know
niya, they already won. It's over. Congrats to them.
Yes. And one thing good about stories like this, alam mo naman tayo mga Filipinos, gusto natin ng mga ganyan, especially now
gusto natin ng bakbakan off court.
Yes,
talaga.
especially now na may lockout sa NBA, so I'm sure mas maraming manonood sa panibagong season ng PBA. I heard that they just finished with a draft. At very exciting ngayon, meron silang bagong coverers, and I'm very sure and I'm very excited for the next season of the PBA. Meanwhile, you know, Ali Peak.
High hopes for that,
Yes, Ali Peak is actually here vacationing along with some other players, and Ali Peak is going to be here with us. Talk and Text player po yan, na nag-expire na po yung contract niya, but we're going to be talking to him on Friday here on Kababayan LA. For now, May, thank you so much.